All right, thank you so much, sir. Thank you. All right, here we come to the elevators to the Sundial restaurant at the Westin Peachtree Plaza in Atlanta, Georgia. Finally, I get to see these elevators. Look at this, y'all. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Big thank you to the awesome employee for letting me ride this. This is a much needed updated take on this elevator. So glad that the employee let me ride. Thank you so much. I don't think I'm gonna do the hotel elevators because they're key carded. These only go like 500 feet a minute or so. 300 or 7, I don't know how, I'm not sure how much feet per minute this travel, but not nearly as fast as an average speed. Anyways, these used to be Otis with touch sensor. These had the Lexan fixtures from Andrew's old video from 2000, from 1975, and they were modernized in between 2006 and 2007, as I saw in Music Free CC's video later on. All right, we're not gonna get off because the restaurant is closed, but it's an amazing view. Look at that view. All right, let's go back down. Big thank you to the amazing employee for letting me film. All he told me is that I cannot get off on the top floor because it is closed. I might take the other elevator car. My ears had already popped. Okay, the other elevator car is not present.
72.
There you go.
Got it? Good.
Yep.
Thank you, beauty. Thank you.
You're welcome. Awesome, we get to ride this elevator car. Big thank you to the employee. All right, here's this elevator car right here. No one's in it. I think this is the elevator car Andrew filmed back in 2000. This is just exactly similar to the other elevator that we rode. As you look over there, see that right there is the Marriott Marquis over there. I am so lucky that the nice employee at the desk let me video record this. I didn't expect to be granted because I was fearful that I was gonna get denied, like how I've been denied permission like so many places, especially in big cities. And hearing some stories that stating Atlanta is not as safe as it used to be. These are your fixtures. They're PTL fixtures. These used to have Otis Lexan. All right, let's go back down to 5. We're gonna end. Door close button does not work. See the Otis interlock right there.
As you descend into the lobby level of the Westin Peachtree Plaza, we hope you continue to savor the experience and views from the Sundial. Expect something different with each visit to the restaurant. Inspired by locally sourced fresh ingredients, our culinary team creates playful, flavorful dishes that change with the growing seasons, for a distinctly unique experience at every meal. Return for sweeping city views at any time of day on the observatory level, from daylight to sunset to nightfall, and even during a thunderstorm. A panoramic view adds dynamic perspective to the city's classic skyline. Gather your friends to begin or end a night in Atlanta and sip on the ever-changing cocktail selection. Top local beer, wine,
the other
and
elevator
spirits
car.
at the bar and lounge. Each visit promises an inspired experience, easy ambiance, and unparalleled scenic views. Locals and out-of-town visitors can enjoy each level of the restaurant, bar, and view for casual gatherings, business meetings, and special occasions. For an incomparable event, the venue is also available for private booking. Thank you for visiting the Sundial Restaurant, Bar and View.
I'm not gonna do all the elevators in Atlanta because I'm only here for this much time and I got a big visitation happening tomorrow. Come. I'll take care of girls. All right, we're gonna go ahead and watch it close. All right, there it goes. And that's it. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.